Being a part of the MARS Returnship program has been incredibly impactful. Not only did I have the opportunity to work with a diverse team of women, but also during our application development project, we were given a tremendous amount of support. The learning environment was open, feedback was encouraged, we were provided mentors, and also introduced to guest speakers. The program heightened my skill set and ability to become a better engineer, and also afforded me the opportunity to return back to the technical career field, which I am grateful for.